Hello, my name is Pia and you're watching Next in Maharashtra, a special segment where we bring you the latest from India's financial capital. Here's what's making headlines in Maharashtra this week. First up, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has unveiled an ambitious plan to make Maharashtra India's #1 steel producer by 2033, with a ₹5 lakh crore investment roadmap focusing on sustainable steel manufacturing. Here's the full report.
Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has declared a bold vision to make the state India's #1 steel producer within the next 8 years.
देश में महाराष्ट्र स्टील प्रोडक्शन में हम चौथे नंबर पर है, योगेश जी 4th। अगले 8 सालों में वी विल बी नंबर 1। हम देश में पहले स्थान पर अगले 8 सालों में आएंगे।
Speaking at the inauguration of IFA SteelX 2025 in Mumbai, CM Fadnavis outlined a ₹5 lakh crore investment roadmap. Gadchiroli is at the heart of this transformation, which is backed by ₹80,000 crore worth of projects.
आज करीब 80,000 करोड़ का निवेश महाराष्ट्र में स्टील के सेक्टर में हुआ है। आने वाले दिनों में और भी ज्यादा होगा और इससे पहले हम लोग 5 लाख करोड़ के ऐसे ही निवेश ऑलरेडी साइन कर चुके जो अलग अलग प्रकार से एक्टिव एंगेजमेंट में है।
CM Fadnavis emphasized that Maharashtra will not just lead in steel production, it will lead in green steel, a commitment to industry, to the environment and to the future.
Meanwhile, Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has launched the Swasth Nari Swasth Parivar campaign, aiming to strengthen women's health across the state. Watch this special story.
Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde inaugurated the Swasth Nari Swasth Parivar campaign at Mumbai's Yashwantrao Chavan Center. Launched on the occasion of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 75th birthday, the campaign aims to strengthen families by prioritizing the health, nutrition and well-being of women and children.
हमारे माँ बहनों को उनकी जो आरोग्य व्यवस्था है उसे और मजबूत करने का काम किया है और इसलिए हमारे देश के सभी माँ बहनें बेटी इनके लिए जो योजना जो उन्होंने बनाई है अपने जन्मदिन के अवसर पर, इससे भी दिखता है कि उनका हर पल हर दिन देशवासियों के लिए देशवासियों के जीवन में परिवर्तन लाने में ये वो गवाह हैं और बिता रहे हैं।
To ensure medical access reaches every corner, 75 ambulances have been dispatched across Maharashtra, offering comprehensive maternal health care, vaccinations, nutritional guidance and screenings for conditions such as diabetes, cancer, tuberculosis, anemia and sickle cell disease. This will help build stronger families and a healthier Maharashtra.
Our next big focus. In Marathwada, a historic milestone was achieved as CM Fadnavis inaugurated the new Amalner-Beed railway line, promising to unlock growth opportunities for farmers and entrepreneurs alike. Take a look.
In a historic moment for Marathwada, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis inaugurated the new Amalner-Beed railway line and flagged off the first Beed to Ahilyanagar train. This new 261-kilometer railway line has been built at a cost of ₹4,805 crore. It promises to open a new chapter of progress and opportunity for Marathwada and Beed.
अनेक दशकाच्या प्रयत्नानंतर खऱ्या अर्थानं आपल्या स्वप्नातली रेल्वे या सुरू होते आणि मगाशी उल्लेख झाला केशर कापूर क्षीरसागर असतील किंवा आमचे नेते गोपीनाथराव मुंडे साहेब असतील यांनी या रेल्वेचं स्वप्न केवळ बघितलं नाही तर मुंडे साहेबांनी या रेल्वेचं स्वप्न प्रत्यक्षात आणण्याकरता एक मोठा संघर्ष देखील केला.
This railway line will boost connectivity, enhance growth and expand opportunities for farmers, students and local entrepreneurs in Marathwada.
on, Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar is pushing for faster execution of key infrastructure projects, including the establishment of AIIMS in Pune and the expansion of Pune Metro Line 3. Here's more.
From transport to health to urban growth, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar is pushing for faster execution and stronger coordination across key infrastructure projects. In his latest high-level review meeting at the Secretariat, he instructed the Medical Education Department to work closely with the central government for the establishment of an AIIMS in Pune, which would significantly scale up healthcare access in Western Maharashtra. He has also directed officials to expedite land acquisition for the Bir-Parli railway line, calling it vital for Marathwada's economic integration. The Deputy Chief Minister also reviewed Pune Metro Line 3 from Shivaji Nagar to Hinjewadi, urging agencies to maintain top construction standards while ensuring minimal disruption to festive traffic. Senior officials from Railways, PMRDA, Mahametro and multiple departments participated, reflecting the government's push to remove bottlenecks and deliver projects on time across the state.
And in more news, Maharashtra is set to launch a dedicated bamboo industry policy to empower farmers, create green jobs and promote climate-resilient farming under the leadership of CM Fadnavis. Have a look.
In a major push towards sustainable agriculture and climate-resilient farming, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has announced that Maharashtra will soon roll out a dedicated bamboo industry policy. Speaking at the International Bamboo Day conference in Mumbai, the Chief Minister said that bamboo cultivation will revolutionize the lives of farmers and help combat climate change. He stressed that an integrated ecosystem needs to be created to encourage farmers to cultivate bamboo.
बांबूला एक प्रकारे लोकचळवळीमध्ये परिवर्तित करण्याचं काम या ठिकाणी पाशाभाईंनी केलं आणि आज मंचावर बसलेली जी सगळी मंडळी आहे यांनी बांबूच्या क्षेत्रामध्ये केलेलं कार्य असेल आणि भविष्यात बांबूच्या क्षेत्रामधल्या ज्या काही संभावना आहेत त्या संदर्भातलं मार्गदर्शन असेल या सगळ्या गोष्टी मला असं वाटतं अत्यंत महत्त्वाच्या आहेत.
CM Fadnavis emphasized that bamboo will be planted on government fallow lands across the state, especially in districts like Gadchiroli.
हम लोगों ने तय किया कि गढ़चिरौली में हम 5 करोड़ पेड़ लगाने वाले हैं.
This initiative aims to empower farmers, generate green jobs, and position Maharashtra as a leader in bamboo-based industries.
These are this week's updates from Maharashtra. You're watching our special segment Next in Maharashtra. Stay tuned for more news.